All right, so this is Monday, March 12th. What's going on in the markets? You see Bitcoin, we took a open range break trade to the downside here, targeted 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio and did really well on that. Decided to have an additional runner placed on this trade, and thank God for the rule that we have of never letting a green trade turn red. This saved us from that runner turning out to be a little bit of a loss. So overall on the day, we're up. But why is Bitcoin actually selling off the way that it is? This is a 15-minute chart. If you take a look here at Bitcoin on the hourly, it's just a massive sell-off since market open. But why is that the case? If we come over here, we take a look at the DXY, you'll notice that the DXY is actually starting to encroach on that $100 range. Now, why is that? That's happening because of the situation that's going on with Iran and them shutting down the Hormuz, the Strait of Hormuz. And why is that a problem? That's a problem because that is going to cause the price of oil, the cost of a barrel of oil to go through the roof. And as it stands right now, oil is still very much sold in dollars. And in order for countries around the world to be able to get a hold of these barrels of oil, they have to buy and sell them in dollars. And so if they don't have dollars, if the price of oil keeps going up, they have to exchange the currency that they have, put it into dollars so that they can buy the oil. That oil is essentially the country's lifeline, right? It's the lifeblood of the country. And so if the cost of oil keeps going up, it's going to take more dollars to buy this oil. So that's the number one reason why you are starting to see the dollar go up here and start to encroach $100. Now, the correlation that that has with cryptocurrency, with the Strait of Hormuz being closed, anytime the DXY goes up, it normally has an inverse relationship with cryptocurrencies, and that's why Bitcoin is going down on some of the larger time frames, right? We're obviously going to get some of these little rebounds here, small relief rallies. That's not to not be, expected. But overall, when you start to see Bitcoin selling off, it's going back to 69, 68 instead of trying to topple the 70, 71K range. That's going to be the dominant figure as to why that is. So, shout out to everybody that took this trade this morning. It turned out to be a very beautiful trade. 2 to 1 risk to reward on an opening range breakout with Bitcoin, either on the 8 or 9. Played both. Missed the one on 8, came back and took the one at 9, so it's a good trading day. And again, remember, if you're in a position where your trade is green, move that stop loss into profitability and never let a green trade go red. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.